Hola YouTube, what's poppin'? Whatever. It's 12:01 in the morning. I'm editing this video, and the original intro sounded like this,
We're gonna be fishing,
which is poopy. So we're not gonna use that. Yes, I'm making the intro now. You guys are gonna want to watch this video. There's a bunch of fish catches. We stayed out for like 7 hours. Went to like 6 different ponds. Whacked some fish. Some fun stuff happened. This is one you guys are not gonna wanna miss. So grab your popcorn, grab your snacks, grab your drinks, whatever you want to settle in for this banger. Let's hop on into it. Alright, well, the audio is like that whenever I have my phone turned around, so whenever my phone's like in selfie mode, I guess, when I'm recording myself, the audio is messed up. I probably have like water in there or something. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that. There's not many clips that I like that this video, so please just bear with me here. I wish I could fix it. I wish I knew what's going on, but I can't help it.
alright, and we made it to the pond, and my god, does it look like a bag of wieners. This place is a construction zone, and this pond is chocolate milk because of it. Walking over here, there's a hole over here. When I was here in the summer, they told me they were making a new pond here. It looks like they're putting in culverts like there's gonna be one, which is pretty sweet.
Well, I'm gonna check this out.
And then we're gonna try and figure out how to catch fish that are slow moving in cold chocolate milk water. This does not sound fun. Stay tuned.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. I watched him wake behind it. There we go.
Okay, let's go. On the spinner?
Spinnerbait. Tiny fish.
Run back and get mine.
Look how white he is.
That's pale. Is he cold?
No, not really.
Let me see. Yeah, he's just kind of warm.
Look how fat he is.
He's fat, yeah.
He has been eaten up.
Dang.
That felt good. I'm glad they're chasing baits. That means they're pretty active.
Alright guys, fish number one is a dink, but look at that belly. This guy's been eating bait. Smells really, really good. We're gonna get him back in the water and hopefully catch one about 5 times his size.
Oh, there's a chatterbait.
Yeah, or should I just go tie on the spinnerbait, or should I just use my under spin?
Oh, here, up to you. There we go.
If you catch another one on the spinnerbait, I'm going to.
That water's actually not too cold. There we go. See, good one. Oh, dude, that's a good one. Woo! It's a chunk.
Another one?
Yeah, buddy.
How big?
Pound and a half.
Spinner?
Yeah. Same spot. Look at this fish, you guys. Look how white he is. This water is so dirty. Another fat fish. That is crazy. Think we can go 3 for 3? All right, see you, buddy. I got a Z-Man spinnerbait here on my spinnerbait crankbait rod, which is a Ducket Pro-driven rod with Abu Garcia Black Max. So it's 6:4 to 1 gear ratio. So it's a little bit slower for these fish to catch up to the bait. Also, so I don't move it too fast. These fish are just whacking it. Oh, I just got smoked. Those are good fish too. Watched him wake it. Did you hear my drag scream?
Yes, I did. That's probably so.
Pound maybe. He killed this thing.
Really? Smoked it?
Dude, he took off with it. I was waiting for him to hit it the second time. It's a nice little fish there. I was waiting for him to hit it the second time because I saw him wake it the first time. I pulled it out of his mouth. And the second time, I was waiting for my line to move, like so I could see him swimming off with it. My line went 5 feet in half a second.
Alright guys, we're gonna move ponds here. My feet are soaked. 3 fish from this pond on the spinnerbait. Put together a nice little pattern. Hopefully they'll help us at this next pond. But I think today's gonna be an alright day. Hopefully Smitty can get on some fish because he sucks at fishing.
Let's see how we do.
Keep on moving. 1 pond down. Possibly 7 others.
All right, let's see what this pond looks like. Hope there's fish in here.
Have you fished it before?
Nope.
You got anyone else that has? Or is this coming here?
We're just coming here. I'm gonna guess that if it's the same place as the other ponds, that the same person stocked it. These people have.
Oh, so 36 people stocked it before.
I'm hoping because they stocked that one.
People are using kayaks for this pond. This thing is big. Yeah, it's made by the same people who should be fishing here. Got the same wood duck thing in the bog. There's a culvert right here. Maybe not a culvert, but a gravel patch. Oh, here's a big culvert right here.
Bunch of bait on the bank.
Yeah, definitely.
Watched him eat it. There we go. Came up and smoked it.
Are you kidding me? Your first cast is
Ah! Get up here, Junior. Dude, throw right in here. There's got to be more.
Where?
In this culvert area. Dude, he came up and smoked it. I watched him come up and eat it. That was crazy.
Alright guys. Look at this nice little fish off this culvert here. We're gonna get him back in the water and we're gonna go catch some more.
This pond is juicy. Oh, this is all muddy. I'm gonna have to throw him. Here we go. See you, buddy. There he goes. All right, let's go catch more. There you go.
Oh, there you go. Come on, Jack.
Go down there. Go down there after him.
Fine.
You break your rod tip. Oh my God.
That's a chunky.
You are brave, dude. You just about snapped your rod in 4 different places.
Oh, boy.
You flipped the fish up and grabbed him underneath the. Oh my
That's
God.
the biggest one today.
You want a picture?
Yeah, here, come on.
Here we go. Come right up, sir. Yep.
Where?
On the bank, or a little bit further out. On the spinnerbait.
I'm sticking to this spinner.
Look at how he ate this thing.
He looks like a
Yeah. Maybe a pound. All right, you ready? Give me $5, you catch a fish that cast. Yeah. Mother.
Stay down. Yeah.
Don't do the rod tip thing.
Look how I hooked him. Nose ring him.
It looks like a nose ring.
Had a little nose ring on him.
God,
Dude, I can't even get him.
I have pliers up in my bag.
Now we know where the fish are when we come here.
Yeah, we're gonna run a $20 challenge here, and we're just gonna sit in the same corner for 4 hours. So it took the rod out of my hand.
Dude, okay, we're gonna chill out for another
We're gonna chill here for another 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Fish number, I don't know.
That's like 7, I think, for you.
Yeah. I set the hook how you're not supposed to set the hook on a spinnerbait. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the okbassin channel. Here we go. We got a wacky rig Senko and a green pumpkin chatterbait. Let's go kick some butt. All right, my lines are tangled. Here we go. Great start to our fishing adventure, if you ask me. Dang, I had one. Ski 'em on in, boys.
On what?
Wacky rig. He's cold.
How big is he?
Half a pound. Yeah, hook set.
Didn't work. We got one flash when the fish chased it up, but
That's it. It's about 4:15. It's like 4:17 or something like that. We've been out here since what time we leave my house? 10:10. It's been a long day.
I'm exhausted and hungry. My back hurts from carrying around the bag all day.
What about you?
I'm hungry.
He's hungry. But if you guys enjoyed all those fish catches, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. That's pretty impressive for November being a couple days away. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. Today's like the 28th or something like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe to Smitty also.
Start a YouTube channel.
Yeah, today was his first video, so make sure you guys go leave a like on that.
Was it bsmittyfishing?
Same as his Instagram, bsmittyfishing. Go drop a sub.
On his channel, we're gonna be doing a lot of collabs soon. Got some ideas coming for you guys, so it's gonna be good.
In November. So, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys